Hey guys, in this video I will show you the 5 best free yoga apps for beginners. Alright, let's begin. Number 1. Down Dog offers personalized yoga sessions for beginners with adjustable time, difficulty, and style. It helps you practice at home with guided routines progressively and safely. At number 2, Daily Yoga provides structured beginner programs with step-by-step pose instructions and meditation support for daily practice consistently and easily. At number 3, FitOn delivers free yoga classes led by professional instructors with flexible training plans and community workouts. You can practice at home easily daily. At number 4, Asana Rebel combines yoga and fitness routines focused on improving strength, flexibility, and mindfulness through guided sessions for overall wellness growth. At number 5, Nike Training Club includes free beginner yoga workouts with expert-led guidance and wellness programs accessible anytime for healthy lifestyle improvement. So that's basically the 5 best free yoga apps for beginners. That's it for this video. Thanks.